get out of the way.
Genius customers that don't want to be in the video, which is fine. They're actually letting me video this because when you have a folded electric bicycle, so they got the Towel Bike Escape and they got the Bolt, and they're very awkward to put in and out of vehicles. If you've got one, it's okay, you can kind of put it to the side, but if you turn the corner, whatever, they're gonna move. So they found like the most just brilliant. So here's a few things that they did. They made this I don't know, I guess what do you call it, stand? And so if you go down here, bring it down here, because you know how the foldable, they have the stand there, so that's what he's made. So this goes in there so it won't tip side by side. And so he puts that in, and then the other thing is when you're folding them, where to put the pedals, because there's a certain spot that the pedals need to go so they don't get in the way. So he's marked his crank here, so when that's at 12 o'clock, he knows that those are in the right spot. He's just done a quick tether to here, but I just think this stand is so brilliant. And then the other thing he did is a slider, so when you put the wheel on, you put your stand in there, and then it slides back. And then just some simple foam spacers on either side, and then he does strap it to the other side, and I just think that's such a great thing to share, to bring them in and out. So we kind of, and he also, because they don't come with it, he does strap the folding bike together, just around the back wheel so that they don't come apart. And then just another side note is that he keeps his bike in his vehicle at all times, so that whenever he's out and about and he just goes somewhere he wants to go for a ride, he's always got it with him. So I just I love it when people get e-bikes and they really use them and get into it, and genius. So thanks for my customers letting me share their geniusness like engineer. So yeah, cool, eh? I like it. Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like.